Good morning, everybody. Beautiful morning out here in Temecula Wine Country Farms. Ivy's growing on the house really well. Out here in the garden, Wednesday morning. We're out here with all the fruits and veggies we're growing. Things are going crazy. Peppers and lettuce and spinach and kale, tomatoes, berries, potatoes, strawberries, squash, watermelon, zucchini, herbs, yerbas, carrots, peppers, bell peppers, hot peppers, serrano peppers, more herbs, onions, celery. Anyway, been a couple weeks since we posted a video on what's going on with the garden, but everything's coming along really well. We still have some plantings, seedlings that are coming up right there. But today we're going to do a little more maintenance on the ranch. Check on the horses and the baby chicks. We had a sick horse last night. Baby chicks are about a week old now. And then today we're going to install this bad boy. Yes sirree, 20-foot in-ground aluminum pole set. And the best part, made in the USA, America. So we are going to put two flags on this baby today. One's the US. I don't have a California flag, but if I did, it would be upside down. But I have a Gadsden flag, and that'll go on there today. So I'll post a video on that when the time comes. And my dog's going to give me a hand because she likes to dig once in a while. Huh, Holly? Good girl. Take care and fight on.